Hi everybody, welcome to another year, another decade, another season and another episode of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I have today with me to take us into the new year, Eairn. Welcome to Passing It On. Thank you for your time here. A little about Eairn. Eairn, where do you live? Before Durban. Before Durban.
Before Durban, I live in Thailand.
In Thailand, okay, that's awesome. Okay, so today what are we making?
Today we're making egg noodle stir fry.
So is that like a chow mein? Little bit.
But actually,
because whenever I see noodles, I think chow mein.
Yeah, because you see, actually chow mein is a Chinese word.
Right.
The chow mein is mean food.
Oh.
So when you say chow mein, it's chicken chow mein is mean food made from chicken.
Oh, okay.
So when you're asking me with the chow mein, so I have to ask, is your chow mein is a rice or noodle or
Oh, okay. So now we've got a clear perspective of chow mein.
Yes.
Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to show you the ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, so Eairn, now for the ingredients. You want to just run us through what we have here?
So what we have here is the egg noodle.
Okay, is this the one here?
Yes, this egg noodle.
So you just want to show the viewers? Okay.
Okay. I cut in.
Yeah. All right.
This is an egg noodle.
Okay, so that's basically you just boil that in.
Yeah. So we're not actually boiling it because if you boiling it, they're gonna get like overcooked.
Okay, so you just
steam it.
Okay.
Yeah, just put in boiling water and just leave it for half an hour or 15 minutes or how you like.
Okay.
But not like overcooked because they're gonna get like stick. Yeah.
Okay, and the other ingredients?
So you've got the chicken. Vegetable is your choice. Is what you like.
Okay.
Any vegetable you can put it. And got the sugar, garlic. Clove garlic. This is sesame seed. Oops, sorry. And this is oyster sauce. Is an ingredient, and fish sauce.
Okay.
You can see it's and this one is a soy sauce.
Okay. And over here?
This is sesame oil.
All right.
The sesame oil is we just drop in the noodle.
Okay, we'll show them.
Yes.
Okay.
After you boil.
And then you've got a bit of oil as well.
Yes.
Okay, so just to can I use prawn, beef?
Yes, you can use any kind of meat. Is your choice. What you want? You want beef? You want chicken? You want seafood? Anything.
Right. And if I have white sugar, can I opt the brown sugar for white sugar?
Yes, you can.
You can. All right.
Because we use little bit of.
And the sesame seed, is it optional? Because some of us, I mean, I know I don't like seeds a lot. So is it optional?
No, it's fine. Yeah. You can use this thing. Is just dropping
it
on top.
Yes. Okay, all right.
It's get the taste like.
And now your sauces. Where can I get this?
This sauce we bought it from San shop.
And where is that?
Is in Amshlanga Drive.
Okay, so you can get this sauce from Amshlanga Drive. Okay,
yes.
All right. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how to prepare this. Okay, so we're back to the preparation. I see you've already put your frying pan on the stove. You want it quite hot.
Yes, it have to be very hot because this is like a quick. It's
like a quick meal.
Yeah, it's a quick meal. Like you don't overcook them.
Okay, all right. Okay.
This meat is not gonna get like hard. Yes. Vegetable is not gonna get like very soft.
Okay.
It's because everything is prepared and you cut it like turn. You can see the chicken
to fillets and stuff. Okay. So what you're gonna do with this garlic now?
Like we just.
That knife means business. Woo! She's like a professional chef. Okay. So you're just chopping that out. Okay, so she's frying the toasted it. Okay.
But it's your choice if you don't like it.
Yeah,
you don't need. Yeah, it's optional.
Okay.
So just done.
So you got your sesame seeds from the Sun shop.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything, if you want the Thai ingredient
Yes,
or
you go there.
Chinese ingredient, you have to go there. Everything you can find there.
Okay, so we're back to the frying pan. I see you've got a bit of oil there. Can you run us through the process?
Yes, just fry the pan. You can get the smell.
Yeah, I can actually get the smell.
So when your garlic start to
Brown.
you just
Chicken fillets, you've just stripped it, right?
yes, you just cut whatever you like.
Blocks.
Yeah, block or strip or but the thing is the heat must be like very high.
Oh, okay.
You got to put it very high.
Okay.
So then you just oyster sauce. Just put a little bit of oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce, okay.
To give the meat the taste.
Oh, okay. This is the soy sauce. Okay, that's your soy sauce.
A little bit thin of sugar to cut the
Sugar.
saltiness.
Oh, because of the sauce. Okay. Because I see you're not adding salt.
No salt because soy sauce is salty,
Yes.
oyster sauce is salty,
Oh,
and
okay.
we're gonna use fish sauce.
Okay.
So fish sauce is salty too.
Let's go.
The vegetable is whatever you like.
Okay.
Sometimes you like mushroom
Yes.
or
Peppers and stuff like that.
everything.
So, we're back to the frying pan. How long this needs to cook? About
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
10 minutes is fine. But
All right.
it's up to if you like more softer, you
Yes.
can leave it longer.
Okay, depends on you.
Yes, depends on you.
And if you're using a gas stove, it's quicker.
Yes, if the gas stove will more quicker because all the heat will come like more higher heat than this. Because you see, if you use this thing is the frozen. When you dropping in, they lower your temperature.
Yeah, the frying pan temperature decreases. Okay, so we come back to the pot in the next 5 minutes or so.
So now we're gonna, after it's cooked,
Okay.
I like sesame oil, but if you don't have, you can use normal
Normal oil.
olive oil or whatever oil you
Okay,
like.
alright. So you're going to add some as well.
Yes, I'm gonna add this.
So did you put salt in it?
We
Not-
don't put salt
Because
in.
of this?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So you're going to add some soy sauce to that. Okay. And then your fish sauce. Okay. Some sugar.
That's a little bit. It's like
Yeah.
one. That is one. Because it's, some people don't like now we Thai people we eat sometimes it's sweet, sometimes
Yes.
it's hot,
Okay.
it's sour, and we can use that.
You're going to add that to the pan. You've got a knack of moving it, huh?
I like that what we call the tongue.
Yes, the tongue here.
Just let it cook with the oil,
With the oil.
water, and the
Okay.
sauce.
Do you cook other things as well?
Yes, you can use the rice. You know the fried rice. You always call fried rice.
Yes.
It's the same thing. Do it the same thing, but from the noodle, you just drop the rice.
And do you cook curries as well?
Your Indian curry. Yes, I cook. I cook all.
And biryani, everything?
No, not biryani.
Why not biryani?
The first time I'm cooking the biryani, it was perfect. Everything, nice smell, color
Yes.
with the fried potato, everything. But it's no taste.
Oh, okay.
It is no taste. Second time, it was very nice, tasty, but the rice was like melting like.
Okay, so you must watch
Watching.
passing it on. Auntie Kasturi did a lamb biryani. So,
So if all the curry, I can cook all the curry.
okay.
I think it's done.
Okay, so that's done.
I think it's
Wow, that's a very easy meal. It's absolutely divine.
But the best thing is if you got the like gas stove.
Yes.
Thing will be like quick because it's like big wok and
Yes,
you can turn.
yes. And now with load shedding, I think everybody needs to get a gas stove. So that's done. Okay. So okay, stay tuned for the plating of the meal. Okay, so we're back to the stove. I can see it's lovely. It looks absolutely divine. So you want to put some here? Wow. Okay, so you want to just give me a little, I just want to taste that.
You just twist.
That's quite a lot, eh?
Oh, okay, sorry. I know you fry for the carbohydrates. Don't fry for them, must win them.
Okay, so I'm going to have this now. Absolutely divine. So,
So
I want to
like the seed, so
no, I don't like to.
but it's your choice. If you like it, you can just.
So tell me, when
Mm.
you were putting the sauce in,
Yes.
I didn't watch how much sauce do you put into it?
See all the sauce here. It's because all is salty.
Yes.
So when you put, you don't need to put a lot, and then you can taste it before you bring out from the stove.
From the stove.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
just taste it. If you say
You
it's
feel the
enough,
sauces, yes.
it's like right, you just leave it. But if you say like it's less salt,
Yes,
or you
yes.
can put it. Or if too
Okay.
salty, you can just little bit pinch of the sugar, just cut the salty
Oh,
out.
okay. So guys,
So, but because I cooking all the time, so I know like my hand, like to put it,
Yes.
how much to use. And,
Yes.
and you just learning, you just little bit, and you can keep on tasting.
This is absolutely divine. Thank you so much, An, for showing us how to make the stir-fry chicken. We really appreciate your time here, showing us your talents, and I know you're going to come back on the show to show us more of your Thai
Okay,
meals.
no problem.
Okay.
Any meal you request or you want to know, you
Okay.
ask.
Maybe we can have a slot with you.
Okay, I will show you.
All right. Okay. Remember, eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. So from us, from our kitchen to yours, we declare a life of happiness, laughter, joy, restoration upon your life, dreams come true, and total harvest for 2020. Take care.